Hi guys, it's day 2. We had our breakfast earlier. It's free breakfast. It's not bad. It's okay.
No, it's good.
Peter said it's good, but for me,
Compared to other
hotel. Yeah.
breakfasts.
Yeah, Mimi ate eggs and waffle. And then now we're going to the aviation museum. Naval. Aviation museum. Okay, Peter. Yes, Mimi. What do you want to say?
Hi.
Say hi.
Okay.
You're cute. It's kind of cold again.
It is cold.
So we're here to escape the winter in Minnesota, but we end up and it's still cold in here. But prettier than Minnesota, of course. Hi, love. Hi, love. Hi, love. See? See that? It's so beautiful outside. But you need to dress warm. Yes, love. One second. I'm just showing the outside, okay? Oh, look at her. She's running. She's crazy.
That's good.
But it's gonna warm you up, you know?
Yeah, we're just gonna go all the way. How far she
Ooh.
has to go.
Yeah. Look. Beautiful. Oh, look at that bird. It's big.
Is it a pelican?
Maybe. There's a lot of birds. Dito na kami sa museum, guys. Watch the plane, love.
Yeah, take off.
Mimi, watch the plane. Ooh, Mimi, look. Mimi, look at the plane. Look over there. Wow. Wow. Did you get scared? Sinang-una. Go, Mimi, go. Oh, so much planes from before. Oh, look at the car before. Is this for their, like ambulance?
Yeah.
Wow.
Field ambulance.
Cool. Oh, Mimi's so happy to see all the planes. She loves plane. Oh, now you need to face Mommy. This is their living room before. Cute, no? Has their food. Look at all their...
Appliances.
Yeah.
For the sewing machine.
It's cute. It's a cute, no? A town. Look at that boy. Oh, it's closed. Pawn shop.
Little motorcycle. What is this?
What do you wanna get? Corned beef? What's in there? What's in that? Toot toot. Pigeon? Person? You wanna see a person? He is a person. Come here. Look at her, person. We're here at the Lighthouse Museum, guys. Tapos na kami dun sa sa Aviation Museum. Dito naman kami. Toys for Tots. Hindi masyadong malamig today compared yesterday. Buti naman. Uy. Ay, nagising na din siya, guys. Kanina pa ako dito. Si Daddy pumasok na dun sa store. Hinantay ko tong magising tong batang to. Are you awake? Should we go with Daddy? Daddy's in the store. You wanna go outside? You wanna stay there? Okay, let's go. Punta kami sa next, guys, store. Okay, let's go! So, kahapon, guys, ang layo ng nilakad. Hindi naman malayo, pero doon kami umawid sa kabila. Meron pala dito. Hindi namin nakita. Tapos punta kami dun sa may boardwalk. Doon! Na kami sa pier. May bayad pala pag maglakad. $2.25. Yep. Kasi Manang, oh. Hindi na masyadong malamig today. Bababa kami dun mamaya. Oh, may mga nagsiswimming. Ibig sabihin, hindi malamig. Okay, go. Do you want Daddy to carry you? No, no. We can walk in the sand later. So we can go to the beach. We just need to go back. Oh, carry na. Bilis naman nilang dalawa. Ang tinaw ng tubig, guys. Oh. Wow. Crystal clear water. Tingnan nyo to. Pelican. Dito lang siya. Hi, Pelican! Yung crane andun.
The crane's cool. I like the
Is
sound
that a
of
blue
it.
herring? It's a crane?
Crane, blue heron, I don't know. From the same family.
Yeah. Oh, that's look at the puppy.
Tapos na ang sunset, guys. Ang ganda ng kulay. Look at that. Mimi! Lamig na ng paa ko. Horsey, horsey, Daddy. Guys, nasa bahay na kami. Nakapajama na si Mimi. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina kasi nalobat yung phone ko. Hindi ako nakapagdala ng power bank. Nag-dinner kami doon sa restaurant, seafood restaurant. Tapos, uwi na kami kasi napupup si Mimi. At maya-maya, matutulog na. Say good night. Good night. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.